How to register A2P 10DLC Twilio. I'm going to tell you how to register A2P 10DLC Twilio. If you're sending SMS in the US using Twilio and the local 10-digit number, you need to register for A2P 10DLC to stay compliant with carrier regulations. First, log into your Twilio console and go to the messaging section. From there, access the A2P messaging registration portal. You'll need to register your business as a brand. This includes your EIN, legal business number, and contact information. After that, you can create a campaign which describes how you'll use messaging, like for alerts or customer support. Twilio will guide you through linking your 10-digit number to that campaign. Once submitted, approval can take a few hours to a few days. Until you're registered, your messages may be filtered or blocked by carriers. It's a one-time setup that keeps your messages reliable and your brand legit.